Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to collaborate on Instagram new update. To start, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Once you are here, create a new post by clicking on the plus sign, the one in the middle. Once you are here, scroll down and look for anything from your gallery. Then, post as is. Add like a filter and make sure it looks good. Yeah, this one kind of looking nice. And then, over here, look for tag people. Just click on the drop down. Tap on it. Once you're in here, look for the word that says invite collaborator. This one. When you tap on invite collaborator, you'll now have the option to tag your partner or whatever brand it is. In this example, I'll just tag my best friend. Once done, click on done. And then you can also place the tag person anywhere on the photo wherever you like. Then hit share. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.